Okay, we're in the GR86 Canadian Tire Motorsports Park, which is a track we don't come to very often, but I really enjoy. We've qualified third. I don't know when this is going to go.
Car is off.
I think it's going to go now. There we go. So we've got a bit of pace
Green.
with this race, hopefully. Guy behind seems keen. Got to get the tyres warm though.
Left side.
He's contacting me already.
Car on your left.
Okay. He's got the drop on me there.
Clear.
Let's see if he's got the pace to go with the leaders then, and we'll just follow him. Yeah, I didn't quite get away as I wanted there. So he does on this difficult braking and turning zone here. And you've got to get it right on the exit for the long straight. So we've done that okay. We're leaving the guy behind a little bit.
I'll push you, Robert. No need to defend.
Okay, so they're working together, which is not what we want. Don't really want them working together. They're going to get away, aren't they? I find I have to sacrifice a little in that first corner to then get this one, to then get onto the straight again. That's what I was doing anyway. Whether it's right or not, I don't know.
35.867.
Okay, we're still going pretty quick, aren't we, I think? He seems pretty quick around this bit, doesn't he? So maybe we'll be okay. Seem to be getting back together, don't we? It's a lot of sort of very flat out stuff. And we're back round to this. Interest, this is probably the bit of the course that's the hardest for people new to it. Just getting the line right, as you can see. He's gone too wide, the guy in the lead, I think. If you want to come through and sort of carry the speed up the straight. Are they pushing again? Are they? Looks like it. They're doing a bit of bump drafting. Which is fine. I'm happy with that. We can all stay together and leave Nick behind. You don't really want to be going side by side through there. Just let Nick catch up, isn't it? We're all together. It's difficult to see where the corner is, isn't it?
31.529.
Just about spotted it. Here's all the track.
Car on your left. Keep to the right. Clear on the left.
Yeah, it's hard to see where the track goes sometimes. Make sure we get a decent exit. So it looks like there's a group of us, isn't there? Top 5, 6 together, I think. Yeah, top 6. So no one is getting away. I'm trying to get a bit of safety rating in this race if I can. I've had a real knock recently. I've dropped down to a B licence. It really went bad. I did a couple of production car championship races and it was an absolute disaster. Bad results and lots of incidents, which was not great.
10 minutes to go.
Okay, I don't want to let them get away yet. Get back on them. So Peter Moshak seems pretty quick, doesn't he? The guy that got past us earlier. Okay, he's gone a bit wide there. So we are dropping Nick a little bit now. Don't know if we're going faster. Not sure. Would be nice to drop him if we could. And I just have to worry about the three ahead then. Interesting lines through there. Okay, going a bit quicker than we were.
31.364. New fastest lap.
Yeah, they got away a little bit there, didn't they?
3. Just set the fastest lap. 31.172.
Let's get back after them. Don't let them get away.
Go right. Right side.
Yeah, that was not going to work, was it?
Clear on the right.
Come on.
I mean, I've seen some dumb things on this thing, but my God, I love that.
Oh my goodness.
Hold. Clear.
Just knocked me off.
Got damage on the right side.
Oh, 4X.
Might slow you down on the straight.
Oh my goodness, that's not good. Well, that's annoying. We'll have to have a look at the replay there, but I don't think that was my fault. I don't know what he was doing. Just an unsafe rejoin from him. He went off and just come back in and drove through me. Right. Oh, what are we going to be able to do from here? There goes my 0X.
42.
How annoying is that?
Car 2 is up the front.
Lost 10 seconds as well.
You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 5.2 seconds.
Okay. Let me get away up the straight. How frustrating is that, eh? Oh, we're still 6th. We've got this car behind us pushing now.
The leader is running 31.312. 32.332.
We're getting away a little bit now. I think he comes in quick to that corner, the guy behind, and then comes out slow. I was doing that earlier on in practice. 5 minutes to go. Are we going to catch anyone?
Sorry, Robert, I have no idea why I went to the gap there. What's the blood?
No worries.
Okay, we're catching some people. Are we 5 seconds behind? Yeah, I don't think we are. This guy's got the slipstream again, so it's going to be difficult to hold him back, I think. The problem is he's not quicker than us, I don't think. His fastest lap is a second slower than we've got. But if he can get by, he'll hold us up. Got a bit of a gap there. He's rushed into that corner again, hasn't he? Oh, we're not really catching those ahead. They're all together, so there might be an opportunity. If they have another little coming together. Maybe. If we could get into the slipstream, that'd be even better, wouldn't it? 5 seconds behind, so we have closed a little bit, I think. But we do have this guy behind. We're dragging him along, aren't we, with the slipstream? You can see his lap times drop. We're quicker through that section than him.
32.092.
Yeah, got that wrong. Another off track. My idea of getting some safety ratings gone out the window, wouldn't it? We fit the curb. Lost a load of time. He's done the same, fortunately. So that was lucky. But we lost a load of time there. Yeah, we're less than 4 seconds behind now. We are catching a little bit, but I think we're going to run out of laps. Run out of time, run out of laps here. How disappointing.
Last lap.
There we go, last lap. The good thing is it's only one more lap to keep ahead of him.
32.834. You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 6 seconds.
Oh, he's disappeared. No, he's come back. Got a blinker. Okay. He definitely comes into that corner too quick, I think. We get the speed on the way out. least we got a decent exit that time. Losing time though, aren't we? Well, I think we're okay, aren't we? We're going to make it.
Good race, Robert. Hold on.
There we go. Well, let's have a look at that replay. See how bad that rejoin was. Okay, this is the incident then. So the green car went for a move, just gets completely off the track, drives, and then just drives. Well, yeah. No way of seeing him there. That was just ridiculous, wasn't it? So I assumed he got onto the grass. He didn't actually get onto the grass. He just came straight back on the track. And then, yeah, just kept his foot in and drove through me. How frustrating. Okay, right. Let's look at the results. So, it could have been worse. Double green. Got some safety rating, got some I rating. Wow, didn't expect that. Yeah, very frustrating though. In terms of lap times, 31.1 was the fastest, 31.3, 31.6, 31.3, 31.4, 31.3. So we're all there. It's just the guy that, yeah, is that an unsafe rejoin, I guess? He didn't quite go off the track, did he? But certainly he didn't give me much of a chance. He just stuck his foot down and drove straight through me. But anyway, that's iRacing for you. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to try to race again. I quite enjoy this track. So I'll try it again. But if you did enjoy this, then please do like, share, subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.